Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet.
Hey everybody! My sister's pregnant! I'm gonna be dead!
This YouTuber made the most expensive carbonated water ever. He took diamonds and burned them until they created carbon dioxide. He then took that carbon dioxide and created carbonated water.
At over $1,000 for this bottle though, not even counting labor, I still wasn't sure if it was actually worth all the work and money. Tastes, exactly like soda water.
This person ran into the same car twice within a few minutes.
Blah blah blah.
NASA just released video of their rover landing on Mars. This is the first time that video footage has been captured of a spacecraft landing on another planet. Here's a cool visual of how our solar system is traveling through space. The sun is moving and dragging all the planets along with it. If you take a sweet potato and put it in water, it will start to grow. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Later.